This video is going to cover the basic setup of creating a quiz in any Canvas course. Once you're inside your Canvas course, you will select Quizzes, which is located on the far left side. Then you will see an option that says Plus Quiz. Now you will see different options appear when creating your quiz. You will see a section to provide a title that is simply designed for any written instructions. You do not place questions for the quiz in this box. This box is designed for instructions only. And just as any of the text boxes that are located within Canvas, you are given options on how you would like to format your font, as well as presenting any additional links, images, recordings that can be made available as provided instructions for any quiz. The next thing that I want to bring to your attention are the setup options that are available for you for creating a quiz. You have quiz type. A practice quiz is something that will not be graded and will not be seen in Gradebook. A graded quiz is simply a graded quiz, and this will appear in Gradebook. Then you have the option to shuffle answers, so you can make sure that question 1 for student A will not be the same for question 1 student B. You can also set a time limit and include how many minutes you would like to have for this quiz. You are also able to allow multiple attempts in case a student is not happy with their score. And then you will see some other options as well. If this is selected, you can let students see their quiz response, meaning incorrect questions will be marked in the student's feedback. If you want the students to see their quiz responses, you can select only once after each attempt. You're able to select let students see the correct answers at a certain time period. Now, if you want students to see how they do in the quiz, I recommend that you allow students to see the results after the quiz due date. So that way you can guarantee no students will share answers. You're also able to set up to have one question at a time be presented to students. You're also able to do quiz restrictions such as an access code or an IP address. And then here you're able to assign the quiz to multiple sections, only one section, or if you would like, you can go and select certain students that you want to take the quiz. You can set a due date, and you can also set when this is available. I recommend that you choose a week from the due date and then a week after the due date. And of course, you could just leave these blank. That is also an option for you. Once you have all your items set up for your quiz, you could then add quiz questions. Here you can add a new question or you can find questions. Now, if you choose to find questions, they will go and find questions that have been created from all the Canvas courses that you have enrolled. So any questions that you've made any prior quizzes from other Canvas courses can be selected. If you want to create a new question, you simply select New Question. And here you have the option to choose what type of question you would like. Once you've made your selection, you will write the question in this text box here below, and then you will select which answer is to be true and what answer is to be false. And here you will type in your answer selections. Once you are done, you will need to click Update Question. If you do not update the question, it will not save any work that you've added into your question. As you are done, you can create more questions by clicking the New Question button. When you add a new question, you can choose a different style to be included in your quiz. As you are building your questions, you are given an option to create point value for each question. Once you are done creating your questions, you will click Save and Publish so that way students are able to find their quiz. Once you are done making your quiz, you're able to preview your final product to make sure that all the questions and quizzes are reflecting exactly what you want.